everyone, it is Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. Today is Valentine's Day and I know it's kind of late, but me and my granddaughter Breezy, we are going to, you want to tell them hello?
I did.
Well, look to the camera.
I did.
Okay, so she said hello. But what we're going to do, y'all, is these easy, right, we're going to do the cookies. I bought these from Walmart about a month ago. These are a cookie kit, decorative kit, Valentine's Day heart. And yeah, these are sugar cookies. They are already made up. So it's a real easy DIY you can do with your family. The cookies are already baked, they're done. So the only thing you will be doing is putting on the decorations. It comes with the icings and it comes with all the sprinkles. So that's what we're gonna do, y'all. This was $9.88 at Walmart, and I'm pretty sure after this video you can catch it on markdown for 50% off. Y'all know how Walmart do it. They do 50% off for seasonal items, then it goes to 70% off, then it goes to 80% off, and all of that good stuff. So you'll probably be able to catch this after the video for 50% off and so on and so on. And also, what is that, Breezy?
We got the Valentine's Day napkins.
Okay, so we have the Valentine's Day napkins. These are from HomeGoods, and like I said, I bought these a month ago from HomeGoods. These were, what's the price on here? I think it's right here. Can you see the price?
It's $3.99.
Right, there were $3.99, and you get a set. Hold on up, baby. So that's what we're going to do. So if you would like to see this video, keep on watching. And even if it's not Valentine's Day, you guys, you can still purchase this after Valentine's Day and do it with your family, with your kids. These cookies are in the shape of a heart. So I know you love your family or whatever, so it doesn't have to be Valentine's Day to do this easy DIY cookie. That's right? And also, we have on our aprons, if you guys saw that Breezy had did my apron. I got this apron, both of our apron sets from Target on the $5.
I got it from HomeGoods.
No, these were from Target. The other ones that we have are from HomeGoods. But Breezy's apron set came with the hat. I didn't even know it came with that. Like I said, we've had these for over a month, and hers came with the chef hat, which is really, really cute. And show them the apron, honey. And hers came with the cute apron, and mine just came with the apron or whatever. And that is it. But let's get started with this decorate the cookie. Oh, and the plates that I'm gonna use are my plates from Walmart. They're by Better Homes and Gardens. These were $1, I think like $1.98 each. So that's what we're going to set the cookies on. I do have 2 of them out, but these are the square plates. So that's what we're going to set the cookies on. And yeah, let's get started. We're going to open up this kit. Are you excited to do this, girl?
Yeah, I've been waiting for so long that we can't open and we have made this one yesterday.
We made the s'mores. If you guys want to check out my Instagram channel, it's Sparkle Everything. That's all one word, SparkleEverything. It's all one word, Sparkle Everything.
Guys, look, it says white.
What is that?
White icing.
Okay, that's the white icing. You want to get out the other icing?
Yeah.
Okay, so oh my god, okay, so these are the cookies. It looks like it's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So that's 18 cookies that we're going to be decorating.
No, let me tell you.
So if it's 18 cookies, that means we're going to split them up. You're going to have
half of.
Right.
Look
half.
at the sprinkles.
That's the sprinkles. Get the rest of the stuff out, honey.
Guys,
So
look at the sprinkles. It's Valentine's Day. Sprinkles.
Okay, so Grandma's going to give you half of the cookies.
Yeah.
So you can decorate your half, and Grandma's going to decorate her half. You need help getting these out? Oh, okay, it's baked in there.
I got it.
Hold on, because I don't want the sprinkles to come. I'm going to help you, because I don't want it to And then I get 9. 3, 6, 9. So we both get 9. 3, right? So who are you going to give your cookies to? Because you're going to get to take them home with you tomorrow. What about Mommy? Grandma Joy?
I don't know.
Baby brother?
Yeah, but I don't. When it was like when Mommy came to pick me up, we was going to grab a Joyce's house, but we're not going down.
Okay, but what I'm saying is, because you're going to decorate your cookies, and you want to share them, don't you? That's what I'm saying. So you want to share them.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to get a close-up on how Breezy decorates her cookies and how I'm going to decorate my cookies. And we're going to put them in, well, we're going to put some of them in my cake stand, so you will see that. Sprinkle it, you gotta put it on this icing that I'm putting on there. People are going to be eating these cookies, you know? They're going to eat them, and you want them to look pretty. You see what I'm saying? So you want to get... You got to have the icing on here, you know what I mean? Like, you got to get this cookie. Yeah, get this cookie. You know? Look at there. Dots. Oh, girl, that is gonna be so nice.
That's gonna be such a
yeah, I think mine. What do you think about my cookies? How do you think my cookies look?
They're beautiful.
They're beautiful. Okay. Hold on. And what about this purple? Do you think we got enough purple? We'll put some more in there. Okay. So
we didn't put none on here.
We didn't. Okay. All right. So I think we used like most of the pink. I think it's enough pink. Yeah, we done with the white. The only thing I think we have left is the purple. Put some sprinkles on that one, don't you think? Okay, keep that out. Oh go. Okay, so we're gonna squeeze. Like, we got enough of that out. Okay. Ooh. Okay.
That looks kind of
That looks kind of cool. Okay. Okay. Now that looks nice. I want to get your sprinkles on, and I'm gonna finish using up the icing.
Oh, grandma.
What? Well, okay. So you gotta make sure you get them on all the cookies. That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
Yeah, like make sure you get them on all the cookies, like all the sprinkles and stuff. Like mine's are finished.
But mine's, no, not finished.
Yours not finished? Okay. That's what I'm saying. So you wanna make sure that you got all the icing dribble on there. You know what I mean?
Oh, look. I got enough.
You got enough? Okay, now what is it? Okay, now this is the white. I don't think you got no white on here. Okay, that might be enough white. I think I might have used all the white on my cookies.
Can I put some on yours?
Oh, you go ahead, honey. But even though mine is finished. You know what I mean? I think mine is finished. But, you know, but see, you didn't put enough on that cookie. See, that's what I'm saying. Like, put some on that cookie. And, you know what I mean? Put the sprinkles on there. So you could have put them all on there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you get them on there. And see, you put them all, you know, like, get them on there. Look, this is a whole thing of sprinkles. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You just get them on
Easter
there.
is coming up.
Easter's coming, honey. You best believe we're going to do some Easter cookies too. What you think?
I think, yeah.
You think we should?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to do some Easter cookies.
Yeah, but Grandma,
What?
my